Andrew, come back already. Wow, look at our run. Hey, we're back here. I think Josh is okay. But it's okay, Josh, we like gays.
Damn, Ryan fucking going beefy.
2-hour run. 2-hour run.
Is this what it feels like? To be amazing?
Oh, like a god. Yeah, the fireworks are actually insane when you have like 10 of them. They just don't stop coming. But at the same time, I'm like, can I stop getting fireworks? I think 10's enough.
It's like a 900 stack of fireworks.
Squeak. I think Josh likes it like that.
How's it going, bro?
Oh, finally it comes back. Yeah, we turned down the mercenary to keep this run going.
What mercenary?
The character.
Oh, the character.
It was a green portal, not a gold portal.
Oh, it's the gold portal?
We would have to beat the boss to know, and it is like an impossible boss, so...
Oh, okay, so it wants you to like go through this as many times as possible to beat it?
Well, you can get the gold portal on World 2 actually, it's just like 1% chance.
Damn, dude.
Well, Andrew, watch this, if you can. Watch how many, I have 10 stack of fireworks, watch how much comes out of the box. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. 4 solid seconds. Wow, you actually killed one of those enemies?
Yeah, it's like actually pretty powerful. I think it does damage and time. Oh, did we start the boss? Or no? This just looks like a boss. But yeah, when Josh isn't as OP as this, we'll go through the green portal and go for a loss. I'm actually alive. You've been insta-dying every time we go to a new world.
Would we beat the game if we went through the gold portal and then fought the hard boss?
So, yeah, we don't know. I mean, that's a huge possibility.
But we're not gonna risk it?
Oh no, if we go through the gold portal, we're gonna try killing him. It was the green portal that unlocks you the character and ends your run.
Does it tell you that? Is that how you guys knew or what?
Oh, they already did it and lost, so that's how they knew. Yeah, green means no, not this run. Gold means yes, this run. But it's a special shrine, that's what I remember. It's a really expensive special shrine. And you want to pay for it, and I'll say a gold orb has appeared. We actually already found one this run. Oh god, I might be dead. Joe's already found one this run actually, so I don't know if it will appear again. You did. It said a gold orb appears if you press enter. Can you scroll back up? Can't, can you? He found one.
Oh, what?
A gold orb. You activated one earlier.
Did I?
Yeah.
Hey.
But it was like after we already did the teleporter, so I was like, fuck, that sucks.
What is that? Oh, it's that ray gun.
I was all the way up there, how did I...
Do I activate the difficult challenge? Yes? Okay. God, all those, fireworks. Oh god, that actually just made this game a lot harder. If anything, I think we're ready for the teleporter in like 5 seconds. Yeah, agree, disagree?
Makes sense. Look at that. Let him kill those vagrants real quick.
No, kill those vagrants real quick.
Oh shit, he's getting low. You got those teddy bears.
Thank God he's got those teddy bears.
And we really got to get you those little healing.
Yeah, he agreed.
Because it'd be like stupid nice if you healed like 1,000 as soon as that. Oh my god.
That left click is crazy.
Wait, who's left click?
Josh.
Oh, you died?
Yeah, I know.
I feel so fast. Yeah, I did spawn all these guys, my bad. My FPS is actually dipping so low when with all the chaos that's going on now.
They're starting to survive that.
Guys, I don't know, I feel like I just have to teleport to whip all these monsters.
No, well, he's working them down. There's no way Josh would survive if he did that.
I do this because I thought it'd be good for the team, you know, team building exercise.
Just wait till he kills them all. Shit. Dude, that's insane. The little laser beam can't keep.
Oh wait, Joe died too? When did that happen?
About halfway through. I think as soon as you hit the button,
Oh, shit's getting hard for us. Not our buddy Josh.
No, it's getting hard for him. He's having to run off and shit. Thank God he's been playing that Sicario game though. Put him on the ultimate level for it.
I go start teleporting now. I'm faster than the rockets.
Blazing Warden's Bargains. Oh, yeah. It's one of those floaty heads. Oh, god damn, that's insane.
4 jumps. Oh god, I took fall damage. Alright, let me come help you since you're owning him. He went less health. Last time they had 1.3 million. This time he only has.
I think it's just starting location.
Okay.
Oh shit. Nuke his
Wow,
ass
I'm
down.
invisible and he can still laser me. How's that fair? Oh, we lost all our drones and bodyguards.
He respawns every 30 seconds. Oh shit, he's bubbling.
I recharge pretty fast, thankfully.
Oh fuck.
Woo! Kill him! Oh!
That's so much XP,
Okay, we
holy
did it.
shit. You about to level up?
Teleporter. What was that? Oh, there's a Q there, I think. Silence between 2 strikes, I think. Let me see what it does.
Become an aspect of lightning. Great description.
Yeah, I don't know what that means.
Go get it, Joe.
I had a 5 stack of it.
Did you use it or?
I tried pressing Q. Nothing was happening. Oh god, what is this? Wax quail. Oh god, you do not need that. You just jump while sprinting? Oh wait, you might need this. What is that? Oh yeah, that you could use. But the wax quails, I'd be very hesitant on picking up.
That means you should pick them up, Ryan, and just jump around and go fly across the map.
You like them? Oh, okay. Well, there's 3 wax quails and 1 titanic thingy.
Yeah, but it increases, I think, your speed of it. The more you have.
I'm glad they're not attacking me for whatever reason. Yep, since you're attacking, I'll help.
So anytime you're sprinting and you jump, the boost.
So when you're coming to pick up your prize. Don't forget behind you up there. Nah, yeah, you can take it, buddy.
Take that quail. Take that quail. Get that 6. I want to see how quick you go. Jump.
God.
Really doesn't improve much, does it? No, I guess it does.
What is happening? Josh, I'm scared.
Oh shit, you got a bunch of fucking spaghetti bros on you.
Oh God, where'd they all come from? Ah!
Oh my god, he went skybox. Just like from an anime.
We're at 86%, Josh. 86, we're almost there. 90. I take less damage while sprinting, so I'm just constantly sprinting. I think Josh likes it. Ah, get ready, Josh. Ah! Ah! I think Josh likes it like that. Guys, I don't think there's an ending.
Ukulele.
Alright, find the fancy shrine. Find the fancy shrine. I'll be like, I don't know, 80,000 or something.
What's it look like?
It's sort of similar to a shrine, but more bulky.
Alright, where the hell is Josh?
It's not a
Yeah,
gold
Josh.
shrine, right?
No, Gold Shrine can do gold items.
Yeah. I've only seen it in the desert, but Joe found it in this world once, I think.
It might be a
Go
Gold
check that
Shrine,
out.
actually.
Uh,
Did you see one?
nah, I was just wondering. Because I know what that looks like.
He was just wondering.
Oh my god, I'm so slow. I was watching you play, so I thought I'd move that fast. I'm just checking that back plan. Secret area. And
Teddy bear here, Josh.
You're getting herpes? Damn.
Oh, that's cool. When these guys explode now, they just literally come out.
Did you guys hear that? Josh has herpes.
Wow, shocking.
It is shocking.
I can't believe it's not butter.
Did the cat go meow?
Oh. Josh, I need you to come over here and nuke this shit over. And I'm gonna give you like 20 gasoline cans. We're gonna see what it does.
Gasoline.
Does it seem like it's when you kill something and the fire spreads?
Is it true you like herpetal warts? Tot.
we need more of these detonate on kill things.
Oh no, it would be nutty.
Oh, I found the teleporter.
There's one where I left it. I feel like a scavenger bot that's like scavenging war. There's war happening above me, you know? Picking shit up.
I just buy all the drones I walk by.
There's 3 gas things on that market.
Increases your DPS.
Hey, we're gonna get Anthem when it goes free, right?
No.
Josh, you'll get it with me, right, buddy? Yeah. Only good games go free. CS:GO.
I think a lot of good points.
Team Fortress 2 used to be 20 bucks. That's it, something like that.
Yeah, like millions of people still play. Millions.
Yeah. I think Joe likes it like that. Library trees.
Ow.
What the fuck is that?
You talking about that stomping noise?
But I just want to say, the only chance we're killing the gold boss is this run right now, so I'm gonna be really sad if we don't find the gold portal. Like, me and Joe tried fighting him by ourselves. He is insanely hard.
How much health does he have, Dion?
That's the problem. He was actually immune to all our attacks, so I don't know actually how you kill him. We never did any damage.
Whenever you need like a special item to even be able to hurt him.
Well, we had to activate 7 beacons, so I was wondering if maybe we had to activate the 7 beacons, then we could hurt him? We were at 6, and then we both died. Or I died at 4, and Joe died at 6.
God, I'm taking so much damage.
It's cause you don't buy drones. Oh, it's actually broke. Rip.
Oh my god.
Yeah, no, it's getting a little crazy right now.
Oh, there's a whispering right here, Josh.
If I turn off all the bodies down, I probably would get a little bit better FPS.
It's insane to me that Andrew just lives by AFKing.
He's dead right now, isn't he? Oh no, he's not.
No! No!
Thought I got offended by me saying he's dead. I think Josh likes it like that. Oh yeah, did you see that Valve or Steam finally announced their headset name?
That is something gay.
It was like, they teased it already. I'm probably already forgot it.
I
Valve,
call it the pipes.
well, no, it's like, I think Valve Insight or something. They already have a logo and everything.
Josh, come and grab this.
Something Insight.
Holy shit!
Yeah, they have a logo and it's already designed. They're now
Josh, come and grab this.
like summer, I think. He was trying to get rid of that laser.
Josh, you're invincible! Josh, there's 3 more.
Alright, I'm gonna go activate the portal unless we have any nays.
Just give us another second. I'm gonna give him up to
Okay, Papa. That's
a
a
nice
nay.
say 30 teddy bears.
30 teddy bears? Holy shit.
Oh man, I wanted that actually.
How many
Oh
squeaks
yeah,
do you
I'm
hear?
bored, man.
Alright, one more, Josh. Alright, there we go. You're good. Alright. Yeah.
How much did you have before, Josh, before you started picking up all these? Your posts?
He thinks he had 16. So wait, I can activate it?
Yeah. Someone else?
He doesn't see why not. Oh god, these guys look scary. Wow. If Josh isn't here,
Already taken.
yeah, and Josh wasn't here, that was all me! Oh my god, oh my god! Oh god, I'm dead! Ah! Went straight from God to dead. Yeah, having 4 lasers on you is pretty terrifying. I just got melted.
Oh, yeah, I just got melted as well.
Yeah, if you even let them hit you once, you're dead. Like, their lasers are just way too powerful. Ugh, Josh is so ugly. This is the first time I ever looked at him.
Yeah, there's so much shit on him.
Look at him run. This is definitely Sonic. This is not natural. Look at that jump. Oh, God. Andrew, it's all up to you. Josh is dead in my mind.
Easy. Let me show you how easy it is. Look at this big damage.
Rockets shooting out of his ass cheeks.
You have no items, Andrew. It's so funny. Maybe just compare me or Josh to you.
It's like that frozen. It's like it's stun locking him.
It's like he's stun locking. That orb didn't kill you at all.
Whoa, Josh just took a decent amount of damage.
Yeah. He has to do this every now and then. Oh! Andrew killed him.
So now y'all just have to sit in the circle?
Yeah.
No, y'all just have to sit in the circle. Look how fast you stab. You're like, whoop zap, whippity zap zap.
Yes, yes, yes.
I'll grab one.
You might as well grab the other two. He already has like an insane amount of coil, so maybe use it as a rando.
I guess lightning does strike twice. Oh shit! There's a bunch of those jellyfish on the teleporter.
Wow, we played this game for 8 hours straight. I can't remember the last time I've done that in a while. What's the percentage at? It won't show me.
It's not
95, 96,
Get ready, Andrew. You're the chosen one.
98, 99, 100.
Press it, Andrew.
I guess lightning does strike twice.
Gold portal has appeared.
The hell are we now, Snowy? I think Joe likes it like that.
You think we can get to that time chest? Are we gonna go do this fast enough?
Some of the enemies hate each other. Like they're attacking each other. I don't know if it has to do with elements or whatever, but all I know is Joe has to like it like that.
Everything on over here is on fire.
Everything's on fire.
That's a good thing.
Medkit her. How much of this shit in this map? I bet they're like 10k a pop.
Oh yeah, another war guy.
Damn it. There's 3 shrines up here. Ah, every shrine's screwing me over!
Welcome to reality.
Oh, hilarious, Brian. How many rockets do you have? I just saw like 70 rockets coming up there.
3 shrines at once. Yeah, those rockets are, insane.
I feel like my slug isn't working.
I feel like he's not working. Oh, I just upped the difficulty, boys. You're welcome.
Oh shit, there's a blue dragon.
Blue Eyes, White Dragon. I didn't know this was Yu-Gi-Oh!
Oh shit, that's just shit. Can kill Josh. Pretty easy.
Yeah.
Is there a good 3D printer here? I have a bunch of trash things. I have a bunch of those sticky bombs.
Energy drink here. Are you saying that's bad, Joe?
Nada. Never said
Oh, that was an accident. Just scanned twice.
Oh my god, I have 3 sticky bombs.
Oh, really, AJ? I have 4. I'm kidding, I don't. Yay, defeat 3,000 enemies! Woo!
That's my Ryan.
Right, you guys already got that or something? Well, I understand the danger because I started playing before him. Oh, I guess y'all could have got it last night.
Josh, come over to me.
Well, after like 2.
This is
Actually, now. I need to save it.
There's extra damage to the bosses up here. Oh, look at all those dragons.
Get on by.
White drag!
Hurry up, do it. There's another dragon here. Josh, I got you a
All
bunch
the
of
opening things. I don't even attack. I let my rockets do the attacking. Wait, what's that box? Oh, the swords. So, what does that do again?
Kills you when you're not
Running
fighting.
away? Okay.
Yeah, it should help him when he actually gets away.
Oh my god, somebody's murdering me right now. What is that?
It's your future, the blue eyes white dragon.
The blue kite white shoes. I don't know why that's so funny. Yeah, watch out, Andrew. You got some big.
Oh, fuck!
Are we ready for
I was
teleport?
just holy shit.
Nah.
That was insanely close.
Are we ready for teleporter or nah?
No, I don't think so.
You hear this, guys? This fag doesn't think so. Fag.
Big if true, right? Big if true.
I don't know, I feel like we got everything.
You feel like you heal way quicker now, though?
Maybe except all the shrines.
You feel like you heal way quicker? Hey Ryan, how you doing on damage? We got a thing over here.
Oh, I feel like I'm doing
On
pretty
you.
Oh,
well.
there's a teddy bear thing here. Wait, Josh, you should come take some of these. Oh shit, a bunch of enemies just came as I was...
I have 10 now, Joe. That's perfect. Thank you.
No, get 15 and then use your laser.
I need my railgun.
Oh my
All about
God,
the
that's
FPS.
It's okay, it's all work.
Wow, this weapon.
I'm making a bunch of teddy bears. Whoever needs them, just come take them.
I can't make anything else. Run. Run.
So now we're ready for the teleporter. Yeah, if I use my chain gun, I heal faster than they can hurt me.
Josh, did you get those teddy bears?
Oh god, this FPS.
I think there is one more, but I died as I...
Yeah, you marked it heroically.
There's still one more teddy bear there.
I think he died as soon as he did.
35. Alright, I'm activating the boys and girls.
Alright, do it.
I'm glad I got rid of those stupid sticky nades, dude. I had a bunch of that. That thing's... I don't know.
Yeah, that's shit too. Run, you nutty boy.
No.
How much life leech things do you have there?
I only have 3, but like I said, it only does 1 a tick, so... An occasional 3.
You're surrounded, Ryan. You nutty boy.
I switched to Josh and I'll hear choo-choo.
Oh, Joe's still alive. Cool, cool.
Oh shit, Joe, don't die. Yeah. See what?
We did it. We did it. Oh, I didn't mean to pick that up. It's our friends, you have to kill 3 enemies in quick succession.
Oh yeah. Yo, grab 2 of those rounds.
I already have 2 though.
Yeah, they just give you like insane attack speed.
Josh, you still have 2 things waiting for you.
Damage, I believe.
At the thing of the exits. Exit Poland. I think that's what the cool kids say these days. Sharded. Josh, you still haven't picked them up yet. Josh, just pick them up.
Jesus Christ, right?
Oh, there's so many enemies. Before we leave, I want to check this one hill out. I'm gonna go check it out now, I guess. Is it worth a crate? Ooh, yeah, make sure you don't teleport right away.
Does it tell you that the choice portals are gonna come up, or do you have to wait for the teleporters on that?
No, when it says a blue orb or a green orb, the green will appear no matter what. You could play confidently knowing it will appear when it's time for it to appear. But the blue or the gold, you have to buy before you activate the teleporter.
So like, no matter what, you would know, and you wouldn't have to worry about rushing to the teleporter back then?
Okay, well, thank you for waiting.
Oh, Celestial Portal.
Oh, wait, the green one? Well, then don't enter it.
Blue one.
Oh, no, I don't care about blue. Unless, wait, yeah, you could buy your character then, Josh. Yeah, go ahead, enter. Yeah. Nice. You got it.
There you go.
It's funny to think that we still this has been 1 game after Ryan has unlocked that character. Like, he still hasn't seen that character.
Oh, no.
Where the fuck are we?
This is the end game. Yeah. Josh is just an idiot. Well, no, just let Joe make it to where we can keep going. I don't want to risk it.
Oh my god, you see that clutch?
Josh knows what he's doing. You can go ahead, Josh. Yeah. I'll let Joe be responsible. That way we can get mad at him.
It's like a riddle, y'all misread it. What happens if you fall? You'll teleport back up, right?
Yeah, you just lose
I just
all.
want to make sure.
Yeah, you can see the character up there, I'm pretty sure. You sure it wasn't a green portal and you're just colorblind?
Oh. He could be colorblind. I mean, I don't really know him, you know?
For the tints in this game, I feel like anyone's gonna mistake a color for another color. Personal shield generator, safety.
I feel like we're never going to be able to play Rock and Stone and not feel like not maxed.
I wonder what cool updates that game's had since we last
Oh,
played.
Fran to the mountain, boys! We just gotta pray to the mountain.
God, the mountain
Lizards.
on.
I guess lightning does check place.
Someone say that or something?
No, you say that because I get 2 charges from the lightning attack.
Well, they're going insane because you know?
I guess Joe does strike twice.
I want more field goals.
Make it a Cosby joke and you got yourself gold.
Timmy Turner. I haven't heard that name in a while.
Just Timmy Turner doesn't strike twice.
Oh, sure.
Oh, 124,000 gold boys. For gold chests. But it will be splendid.
100?
124,000.
Ooh, not
If we could get the one where you do half your health, bro.
Joe, let's be real, not worth.
What are you talking about?
124,000 for a crappy legendary. But never really that game changing.
What? They literally changed the game.
Don't listen to him, Athena. He's crazy on his crackbot theories. I think Magic got home or something? I don't know. Else should be one. Vertigo. I'm more like Vertigay. Did I just buy a robot? Rip my money.
What's that big ass robot called again?
And this is like something prototype.
We should buy one of this.
Oh, were you not there for that? We got 3.
Oh,
Absolute
Did they
trash.
They all died immediately. They really are the worst things ever.
Corner don't like change that. That's weird that they suck.
Yeah, 'cause they're so fucking expensive.
What was the antlers do again?